How to hide Facebook profile from search engines. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to hide your Facebook profile from search engines like Google or Firefox so your profile doesn't show up publicly outside Facebook. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you are in the menu section, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right side of the screen. And now here, you can simply scroll down and there you can see the option labeled as audience and visibility. So there, under audience and visibility, you simply have to tap on the option that says how people can find and contact you. And now here, once you see the interface like this, look for the option that says, do you want search engines outside Facebook to link to your profile? And here, if it is turned on, just toggle it off. And here, once you turn it off, your Facebook profile will stop appearing in Google or other search engines. So here, only people searching within the Facebook will be able to find your profile, not from the outside websites. And that's it. That's how you can hide Facebook profile from search engines. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.